Hi everybody, I'm Julie the Whippy Chick, and today's tip to organize your yarn better comes to us from the Make and Do crew. I loved this idea so much that I did it myself. I did the whole thing. I went out and I bought the crates and I sanded them down and I stained them and I put them all together. The only tip I would give if you're going to go ahead and try this project for yourself is to be really careful where you put those zip ties, because the edges of them are kind of sharp and they will tug on your yarn. But otherwise, I love this idea. I think it looks fabulous in any decor, and I highly recommend it. You can usually get these crates at Joann Fabrics and also Michaels, and I think they retail around $12 each. So yeah, it's a really good way to organize your yarn. Check it out.